since its establishment in 2008,
in the field of Chinese pharmaceutical equipment,
has embarked on a magnificent journey of innovation. After nearly 20 years of deep cultivation, the company
it has developed into a leading high-tech enterprise.
as a core Canbian unit of industry standards and instrument calibration and national standards core Canbian unit. It has provided professional detection solutions, providing professional testing solutions and technical support.
With excellent products and services, continuously empower the internationalization
and high-quality upgrade. Stick to the heart and set an industry example. New Yin Technology always adheres to the core concept of professionalism, with strict safety standards as the bottom line and innovation-driven as the engine. It has gradually grown into precision testing field as a core member of China Pharmaceutical Equipment and a core member of China Vaccine Industry Association. It has become a leader in the pharmaceutical industry and sales, and is a leading enterprise. Full chain layout, leading technological innovation. The company's core products include fully automatic filter integrity tester, total organic carbon analyzer, packaging sealing detector, bag leak detector, RTP integrity tester, wireless glove leak detector, osmotic pressure tester, and particle analyzers, Raman spectrometers and other high-end equipment, and professional consumables such as filters. All products strictly follow FDA, Chinese, Pharmacopoeia, and USP and other international and domestic regulations, with high precision and high stability testing performance for pharmaceutical and scientific research institutions with reliable, effectively ensuring drug safety and compliance. Looking forward, empowering world manufacturing. In the future, the company will provide a more perfect service
to help global pharmaceutical
to achieve the synergy of innovation and safety. Beijing Nuoyan contributes to the high quality and inject strong momentum.